Member asked me how to transfer from Huobi HTX to Bybit, and this is how. You just need to go to your Huobi HTX and look for withdrawal. After that, just choose the token that you wanted to transfer out. After that, choose blockchain address, okay, because it's external. And you just need to choose the available network that you can transfer. But of course, you need to see the pairing, which is the recipient side. Is it same? So you have TRC and ERC to choose. So we will choose the cheapest one, obviously. So we just go to Bybit and look for deposit over here, assets on your right bottom, and you click and you can see deposit. After that, just choose or select and find the token that you wanted to transfer. It all works the same. It's token and the chain address. So we choose TRC20 because why? It's TRC that we transfer, remember? See? Tron TRC20. So it's TRC20. Once we click, you will see the address. Copy the address and paste it over to the same place that we wanted to transfer. And put out the funds here and just click withdrawal. And this is how you complete your withdrawal. And you can see the funds on your Bybit account. So remember, if you top up your Bybit within 7 days after you register, you are able to get $20 USDT airdrop. Terms and conditions apply. Probably need like 1 month, I think. Not sure. You can come into the community and ask. Of course, you have $20 trading discount bonus. Of course, new sign up bonus is up to $30,000 if you have big bags. And once you do it, just PM the admin and you are able to access to our VIP network once you do it within 7 days. And it's free. Thank you very much.